Welcome to our Tagalog language learning lesson. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD. Speaking to you about the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am. Author, writer of 24 books, yes, 24. My new book is upcoming. I entitled Learn English Step by Step. And my first book among my 24 is Speak Tagalog, right here in front of you. Written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. On the right is an English Tagalog version, Christ like Mom and Dad. At the bottom is the translation, Maka Diyos Kristo na tatay at nanay. How are you all? I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy and safe. For me, I just had my colds and flu, and I'm feeling better now. Thanks be to God. But it takes time to recuperate, and my voice, as you know, is still veteran voice, but we are healed. Thanks be to God, and we are all healed with our I Am presence. All my 24 books, yes, 24, with the upcoming book, Learn English Easily, Step by Step, are all available worldwide. My Speak Tagalog book, right here in front of you, is available at outskirtspress.com and at Amazon as well, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, all bookstores near you. And at my website, I encourage you to visit my website, juanitagutierrez.com, and my new website, juanitagutierrezbscdmscd.com. As you can see, we have the diffuser, so it's good to regain our breathing, because when you have a cold or you have the flu, you always cough, so you need a good breathing environment. So we have our diffuser, and that's how you see in the smoke like vapor over there. And you will notice that I have a small board. That's a gift from my student here in New York City, New York, USA, where I'm a New York City school teacher for so many years. And so that's my website. I'm encouraging you to come visit juanitagutierrez.com, and the other one is juanitagutierrezbscdmscd.com. So let's start with our Tagalog retell or reiterate. By this time, you know how to pronounce Tagalog. First syllable ta, second syllable ga, third syllable log. The accent is in the second syllable, so you pronounce this or bigkas Tagalog. Retell or reiterate means pag-uulit. Pag-uulit. First syllable pag, second syllable u, third syllable u, fourth syllable lit. First syllable pag, second syllable u, third syllable u. The third syllable has the accent, so we pronounce this or bigkas pag-uulit. Pag-uulit. That means retell or reiterate. And these are some of the examples or halimbawa. Ano po? Ano po? That means please, pardon me. First syllable a, second syllable no. Ano. The second syllable has the accent, so you pronounce this or because ano. Po, this is a word, a tag word that is full of respect. So when you respect someone, especially your parents, your uncles, or the president, or anyone that you respect, you always use the word po. Excuse me, please. So, ano po, that means please, pardon me. Another example or halimbawa of Tagalog retell or reiterate, pag-uulit, is ha. That means ha. So you want to retell, or reiterate, pag-uulit. So if you want to ask to say that again, so you say ha or ha. Another example or halimbawa, ano ka ninyo, or ninyo is also shortened with nyo. First syllable nin, second syllable yo. The accent is in the second syllable, so you say ninyo. Or to shorten it, abbreviate, you say nyo. Ano kanyo, that means please say it again. So ano, first syllable a, second syllable no. So no is where the accent is, so you pronounce this ano. That means what? Kaninyo, please say it again. Ang sabi, that means what was it? First syllable ang. And this word is sabi. This is also a Spanish word. Remember, the Philippines was colonized by Spain for so many years. So that's why we have some Spanish word, and sabi is a Spanish word. But this is part of the Tagalog. Part of the Tagalog language. Apologize for the fruit flies. It's summertime. So what was it? Ang sabi. Let's review. Tagalog, retell, or reiterate. Pag-uulit. Pag-uulit. First syllable, pag. Second syllable, u. Third syllable, u. Fourth syllable, lit. The accent is in the third syllable, so you say it. Pag-uulit. Pag-uulit. That means to retell or iterate. Example, halimbawa, ano po? Ano po? That means please pardon me. Po is a tag word that is added as a sign of respect, especially if you are talking to an elder person. For example, your parents, your uncles, or any government officials. So you say always the tag word po. Ano po? As please pardon me. Ha? In English, ha? Ano ka ninyo? Ninyo is also abbreviated as nyo. Ano ka ninyo? Ano ka nyo? That means please say it again. So ano, first syllable a, second syllable no. The second syllable has the accent, so you say ano. Bigkas means pronounce ano. Ka ninyo or nyo. Please say it again. Ang sabi. What was it? Ang, first syllable. And, excuse me please. Sabi. Again, this is a Spanish word. As I have mentioned, the Tagalog word has a lot of Spanish words because the Philippines was colonized by Spain for more than 350 years. Isn't that really long? Ang sabi, that means what was it? Sabi, first syllable sa, second syllable bi. The first syllable has the accent, sabi. Ang sabi, what was it? So these are just examples of Tagalog, retell, reiterate, pag-uulit conversations. I hope you learned something today. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ, love, and light. This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD, author of Speak Tagalog, a Basic Primer. This is my first book among my 24 books published by OutskirtsPress.com, and you could find all my 24 books at Amazon and all bookstores worldwide. And this is an English Tagalog version, Christ Like Mom and Dad, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD, MSCD. In Tagalog, Maka-Diyos Kristo na tatay at nanay. Christ Like Mom and Dad, Maka-Diyos Kristo na tatay at nanay. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Blessings of Christ, love, and light to us all. Welcome, my wonderful subscribers, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so. And I appreciate you all deep in my heart, so you could be updated in all my videos and we could grow together. In Tagalog, marami pong salamat. Ito po si Binibining Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCDMSCD. Magkita ulit po tayo. And enjoy your days always.